Hello everyone, welcome to your tab. So we know that in RBI grade B descriptive paper we get two types of questions. The first is of 400 words and the second is of 600 words, right? Now the thing is that a lot of students keep on asking us that what should be the ideal word limit that they should target in case if they are not able to meet this 400 words and 600 words word limit, right? Now the point is that I've interacted with a lot of toppers and many toppers have told me that in the real examination for the 600 words they were able to write 580 words also, and here they were able to write around 380 words. But there were other toppers also who told me that for the 600 words answer they were able to write 500 to 510 words in majority of their answers, and for 400 they were able to write around 280 to 300 words. So this is also what many toppers have done with respect to their answers. My suggestion is that do not try to have any kind of preconceived idea that how many words you are ultimately going to write in the examination, because of course, see, if you know the entire answer, for example, if the question comes from the static part, let us say urbanization, let us say migration, or maybe last year we have seen questions regarding derivatives also, right? If such kind of question is asked and you know the entire answer, you know everything about it question, then try to reach the maximum word limit, right? Whatever you can write, for example 580, 570, that would be a good number. But if any such type of question is asked where you are not very much sure about the answer, over there on spot you will have to brainstorm, you will have to generate points. Now ideally you won't be able to reach the 600 or 400 word limit. So in that scenario what you can do, out of 600 you should try to write around 480 to 500, राइट इन दोस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन जहां पर कम आ रहा है आपको, इससे भी कम कर रहे हो तो कोई बात नहीं, क्योंकि वो क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी डिफिकल्ट होगा। अगर आपको नहीं आता है, आप सीरियस एस्पिरेंट हो, तो बाकियों को भी वो नहीं आता होगा, बट आपको घबराना नहीं है। ट्राई टू go above some benchmark, right? And what is the benchmark that you can set कि यार 480 या फिर 450 से ज्यादा तो 600 में लिख कर आए। And if you talk about this 400 words answer, यहाँ पर भी आप कोशिश कीजिए कि 250 words plus word limit आप टच करके आए, right? This is something that you can do, but of course this is not a strict limit because वो case to case भी vary करती है situation, but this is something that you can set, you know, as some sort of boundary that you should keep at the back of your mind, which will make it easier for you to attempt questions. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much and all the best.